Hello kiddies, today we're leaving Port Lincoln, driving up for a night at Cowell and then to Port Augusta and Crystal Brook to stay the night. Hope you enjoyed the scenery. We start off by leaving that lovely park that we were at last week, beautiful little dog park, and we go and we're going to attempt to look at a lookout in Port Lincoln. We find some mud, or Jasper finds some mud up in Cowell, and then he needs a very unwelcome bath in Port Augusta. It's a funny episode and I hope you enjoy. Morning folks, it's afternoon now. We're looking for a doggy park. Found a fabulous doggy park. Look at this little way. Isn't that nice? Have a look out. Oh, what is it? And good up. Beautiful green park. And another grey day in Port Augusta. Let me tell you, I have no idea how people do this in the winter or in England. It's just like I take my hats off to them. Everything is wet and damp, including a smelly puppy dog. Yucky poo. No, not that, but just yucky. Now I've sped this up a bit, but here we are going to have a look at the amazing view, a lookout in Port Lincoln. Doesn't it just look amazing? The further we got up, the thicker and thicker the clouds went. I'm sure it is actually an amazing view, just not one that we were seeing this day. This is obviously the leftover from the storms that have been hanging around. So, well, what can we say? We went, we looked, but we just, as you can see, didn't see nothing. But now we're back at sea level. You can see, if it was a sunny day especially, how lovely that would be. So we're looking over from the Eyre Peninsula over to the other side. So what's over there? Port Pirie, is it? So it would just be, the water would just be lovely. You can see why the fishies like it, and it's a great fishing town all around here. Well, good evening from a very windy Cowell. So we are halfway. Cowell is a place that we're on the outskirts of town, and we are halfway between Port Lincoln and Port Augusta. So I just thought I'd split it up halfway. Pretty popular place, but of course we had some storms. So I was expecting storms in Adelaide yesterday. And as you can tell, they got some around here because it's a bit muddy to come in and out. Cara will need another bath soon. Jasper has to get wet feet no matter where he walks. Jazzy! Dry his feet again when he comes back. But it's quite a popular little place. $15 a night. Can't complain. Where's he going? Where are you going? You're just going to get wet feet and have to clean your feet. You hate it. Anyway, that's where we are tonight. Tomorrow night we're going to Port. Got some 2-minute noodles happening over there. Going to have some 2-minute noodles for tea. That going on. What's Jack already got left in him? Oh, Jackery's got 54% left in him. He's got more than enough. We've just got a few more nights before we start doing some things out. Wind. So what have we got tomorrow night? Port Augusta. Maybe for 2 nights. Maybe we'll go to Adelaide for 2 nights. Don't know. Thinking about getting the hair done. It's getting a bit feral. I went out this morning. I thought, that's getting a little bit feral. Got it booked in at the hairdressers in a couple of weeks, but what is it? In 3 weeks. 3 weeks time. But I think I might have to do something about it before then. I can't handle it anymore. Look at him. Still over there. Having a good time. We'll see what tomorrow brings you all. Oh, hungry Jacks tomorrow. There'll be a whopper for tea tomorrow night happening here. morning everybody. We've made it to Port Augusta. Just having a walk along the foreshore for Mr. Twister down here, who got in the mud last night. So he will be having a bath very shortly, much to his disgust. We've popped into the reject shop and got a little surprise. Port Augusta, look at that. That bridge is the main bridge that goes to Adelaide. And it is just a lovely little town. It's got a bit of everything you need. It's quite a clean. I've never had any problems. I've stayed here a few times. It's a lovely town. So we've got a dog wash, clothes wash, because everything is either wet, dusty or muddy. So that'll sort us right, and then we'll be off to Adelaide tomorrow and we'll be in human existence. Well, that's all I have to tell you this morning. But I'm sure it'll be 2 seconds before I tell you something else. Well, much to Jasper's disgust, we found a doggy bath. He's not the biggest fans of bath, but he was pretty good at this one, I can't complain. Wasn't so happy with the blow dryer, but we did buy him a nice new mat for the van, and he was a much happy passenger after that, but he wouldn't talk to me for the first bit after we put him back in the car. But hey, if dogs will play in the mud, then everything in the van got a bath, including the dog. Look at this little spot. Bristol Brook. So we're 100 k's towards Adelaide from Port Augusta. Once we get in the mud. He has had a bath today. So, this is that on an angle, but that's okay because we'll put our heads that way. Comes with the toilet as well, apparently. We'll go check out the loo. How good's this? Free as bird. And we are not the only ones here. Bargain. Easy couple of 100 k's to Adelaide tomorrow. We'll see you all then. Toilets were spotless. But can someone tell me how one little creature follows me into the toilet at home constantly will not come into a toilet somewhere else? I don't get it. Like, why do they have to follow you? Where are you going? Come on, out of the jungle. Look at him in the jungle. Come on. Come on. Come on.